Good morning, everybody. This is what I believe to be a British watch. I'm not sure of the date. It's a patented pinion, and there is a serial number on there that I can probably look up. So this watch was in the parts bin as a junk watch, and what had to be done to this watch was a whole slew of things. So it had a mangled hairspring that was straightened. It also had upper and lower jewels that were shattered that had to be replaced. And the reason why I think it's a British watch is because they're the kind of jewels that come in a metal brass bezel and they're machined and fit in place. So the parts in this watch didn't seem to all be genuine from the watch. Some of the wheels were inside with no endshake, so I think somebody may have gotten some parts and put them in there and tried to make it work, but didn't, and they weren't successful. So I had to actually machine some of the pinions and shorten them to give some endshake, and I had to adjust the bushings for the pivots, and the actual escape wheel was buckled and that needed to be straightened so it would run true to the lever. So a lot of fiddly fun work to go in here. I had to make a new balance staff, and the pivots on that balance staff with the new jewels are 1.1 millimeters. I also had to make a escapement pin, so the roller jewel was missing, and I had to make one of those. I actually made a hardened steel one because I didn't have any jewels that would fit. So after all of that work, we are kind of a little noisy. However, it is running pretty well. It's got good amplitude. We have a good beat error after adjusting the banking pins, and when it settles down, it's running consistently at 15 seconds a day, which I can adjust. So it's a little noisy. I think that's because the escape wheel has a little too much endshake, and I can adjust the bushing to tighten that up. But it's not bad for a watch that was in the junk bin. There's still some dial work to do. It has a nice dial, but the seconds part needs to be glued back in place. Very clean dial, and all the motion works are there. So I'll find some hands for it, and then we'll put it in a case and see if we can make a watch. Anyway, a lot of fiddly stuff. Very good learning experience to have taken a watch with mismatched parts and made it work, and learning about all the details that go into the escapement, banking pins, roller jewels, the roller, and just machining pivots that are 1.1 millimeter in diameter and getting it all to work well. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day.